So guys, sometimes some of the screws are so tight that it is almost next to impossible to take them out. But to take out screws like this, they have designed a tool like this. The same tool I'm going to show you in this video. So this is going to be a very interesting video guys. So see that you like the video now only. And if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's start the video. Now guys, I have ordered this tool online. If you guys need it, then I will put a link of it in the description below. You can go there and check it out. How much this tool has cost me, I will tell you guys later in this video. So keep watching the video guys. So let's first open this tool. The packaging it came in was very nice. This is a made in Taiwan tool. The name of the tool is Enduro, as you guys can see. So let's open the box and let's see what is inside. So the moment I open this box, then inside of the box, I got a container like this. Now this container was slightly damaged guys, as you guys can see. But let's see what is inside. So inside of the container was the tool, which was wrapped in a bubble wrap, which is very nice so that it will not get damaged. Now what all comes in this box, it is written right here. Now let's keep the box here and let's see what else is there inside of the box. Now inside of the box there was one more small packet. Let's see what is inside this packet now. So I cut this packet open and inside the packet I saw 4 impact screwdriver extensions. One more important thing to note here guys. These impact screwdriver extensions are different from the regular screwdriver extensions. These are not like the regular screwdriver set guys. Impact screwdriver sets are most of the time black in color. That is what separates them from the regular screwdriver set. It's because these impact screwdriver extensions are designed in such a way that they will absorb the impact, and they are made of special metal guys. So that's why they are black in color. So come on now, let's see our main tool. Let's take it out from the bubble wrap and let's see how it looks. So here comes out my impact screwdriver. This is a very heavy screwdriver guys. Now it has come with this socket in which I can put my screwdriver extensions. Now as you guys can see, this thing can press like this. Now the socket which came along with this, I will put it back on the impact screwdriver and let's see if this impact screwdriver extensions are magnetic. Now as you guys can see, these extensions or the impact screwdriver is not magnetic. The moment I put this extension inside of the socket and when I rotate the screwdriver, it falls out very easily. If these were magnetic, then it would have been very good guys. But these are not magnetic. There's nothing we can do about it. So let's move on. Now on this screwdriver guys, you will have to tap like this on top. Now how to use this, that also I will show you in this video guys. So don't worry at all. Now this impact screwdriver rotates on both the sides. Means you can even tighten the screw and you can even loosen the screw with this set. Now watch carefully guys. If you push the socket inside like this and if you turn it this way, now it is on screw tightening setting. As you guys can see, the screwdriver rotates on this side and the socket is rotating on the other side. If you push it inside and if you rotate it on the other side, now the direction of the screwdriver has changed. Now it will loosen the screw guys. Now the grip is rotating on the other side and the socket is rotating this side. So like this you can change the sides of this impact screwdriver. Now if you look at the tool closely here guys, then it is written here L and R, means which side it will rotate. It is written here as you guys can see. So this type of things you should note guys when you buy a new tool. So come on, let's tap on this screwdriver and take out a screw. Now on this container there are 4 slots where you can put the 4 screwdriver extensions which came with it, as you guys can see. So put them all back inside of this. Then you can put the tool inside of the container and you can close the container like this. So I like the container of this tool guys. It's a very nice container. So come on, let's use this tool now. Let's open the box and this is my impact screwdriver. Now first thing is you will have to choose which screwdriver extension you are going to use. So first I will go near my car and now to open this casing guys, you will have to take out this screw. And now this screw is always very tight. This will not come out with a normal screwdriver. Now to take out screws like this, you need an impact screwdriver like this. Now I will put this impact screwdriver on a setting which will loosen this screw. So immediately I will not tap on this screwdriver guys. First I will press it and see which side it is rotating. So once I know that it is rotating in the right way, then I will go ahead and get a hammer like this. Now this is a rubber head hammer guys. I will put a link of this hammer also in the description below. I'm using a rubber head hammer because I'm afraid that a metal hammer can damage my impact screwdriver. That is the reason why I have ordered this rubber head hammer. So by making use of a hammer like this, you will have to tap on the impact screwdriver with full force like this. So the moment I'm tapping the screwdriver with a hammer, just look at how the screw is getting loose, guys. Once it becomes loose, I can easily turn the screw and take it out completely. Now as you guys can see how easily my screw has come out. Now I will also show you guys how to put the screw back with this impact screwdriver. So you will have to put the casing back, then you will have to put back the screw and tighten it with a normal screwdriver and tighten it as much as you can. Here I am just using a tester to tighten it, you guys can see that here. Then you will have to get your impact screwdriver and now you will have to keep it on a setting which will tighten the screw. Then you will have to put it on the screw like this and then you will have to start to tap on it. Now on this screw there is a green line. That green line I will have to match. So by tightening it I will match this line as you guys can see, and here my screw is now become tight. So this type of line is put on this screw so that we don't over tighten it. So that was impact screwdriver, guys, and you guys now know even the working of it. So if you guys found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Raison Fernandez signing out. Until we meet again.